So next we are going to find out the solution of homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivatives with respect to one independent variable only. Suppose a dependent variable is differentiated partially with respect to only one independent variable, say that is x. Then the partial differential equation can be treated as an ordinary differential equation. And we already know how to solve the ordinary differential equation. Later we have to replace the arbitrary constants by arbitrary function of the other variable, that is y, which will gives the required solution of the partial differential equation. So this is the first problem. Del square z by del x square plus z equal to 0. Given condition, when x equal to 0, z equal to e power y and del z by del x equal to 1. First we have to suppose the given function, that is z, is a function of only one variable x only. Then that given differential equation, partial differential equation, becomes ordinary differential equation. That means the given del square z by del x square can be written as d square z by dx square plus z equal to 0. So we know how to solve this equation. So we will write d by dx as capital D. So d square by dx square can be written as capital D square. So d square plus 1 of z equal to 0. So auxiliary equation becomes m square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to plus or minus I. So this is a complex root. Here value of p is equal to 0 and q equal to 1. Therefore the complementary function or the solution, since this is a homogeneous equation, we obtain only complementary function, and that will be the final solution. Okay, so the solution of the ODE, ordinary differential equation, is z is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now replace the arbitrary constant c1 and c2 by the functions of other variable, that is y. So the solution becomes z is equal to f of y into cos x plus g of y into sin x. Here f of y and g of y are functions of y. So take this equation 1. Now use the given data to find out the values of f of y and g of y. So by data we have x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, z equal to e power y. So equation 1 becomes e power y is equal to f of y into cos 0 plus g of y into sin 0, since x equal to 0. So we know that sin 0 is 0, therefore g of y into sin 0 becomes 0. Remaining is, and cos 0 is 1, so we will get f of y is equal to e power y. Also we have, when x equal to 0, del z by del x equal to 1. So to obtain del z by del x, we have to differentiate the equation 1 with respect to x. So partially. So del z by del x becomes, since f of y is constant, we have to differentiate only x functions of x. So f of y into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, plus g of y into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So now apply the condition, that is when x equal to 0, del z by del x equal to 1. So we get 1 is equal to minus f of y into sin 0 plus g of y into cos 0. Again sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So we get g of y is equal to 1. Now substitute the values, f of y equal to e power y and g of y equal to 1, equation 1. So finally we get z is equal to e power y into cos x plus sin x, which is the required solution. Next problem is del square z by del y square, which is equal to 0. Given condition, when y equal to 0, z equal to e power x, and del z by del y is equal to e power minus x. So here z is a function of only one independent variable, that is y. So we have to now the partial differential equation can be written as d square z by dy square minus z is equal to 0. So we can write this as d square minus 1 of z is equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0, and hence m equal to plus or minus 1. So this is real root. Therefore the solution is z is equal to c1 e power y plus c2 e power minus y. Now replace the arbitrary constant c1 and c2 with the functions of x. Since z is a function of y, we have to replace the arbitrary constants with functions of x. Therefore the solution becomes z is equal to f of x into e power y plus g of x into e power minus y. Take this equation 1. Now apply the conditions. So that is, when y is equal to 0, z equal to e power x. That means e power x is equal to f of x into e power 0 is 1 plus g of x into e power minus 0 is also 1. Therefore we obtain e power x is equal to f of x plus g of x, that is equation 2. So another condition is y is equal to, when y is equal to 0, we have del z by del y is equal to e power minus x. So to obtain del z by del y, we have to differentiate equation 1 with respect to y partially. So we get del z by del y equal to f of x into differentiation of e power y is again e power y, and differentiation of e power minus y is minus into e power minus y. Therefore that becomes minus g of x into e power minus y. Now apply the condition, that is y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, del z by del y is equal to e power minus x. So we get e power minus x is equal to f of x minus g of x, that is equation 3. Now solve equations 2 and 3. So by adding equation 2 and 3, we get 2 into f of x equal to e power x plus e power minus x, or f of x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2, which can be written as cos hx. Also by subtracting equation 2 with 3, we get 2 into g of x equal to e power x minus e power minus x, or g of x is equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2, that is sin hx. Therefore the equation 1 becomes z is equal to cos hx into e power y plus sin hx into e power minus y. So that is the required solution. Next problem is del square z by del x square, which is equal to a square into z. Given condition is when x equal to 0, z equal to 0, and del z by del x equal to a sin y. Now suppose the given function, that is z, is a function of only one independent variable, that is x, dependent variable x. Therefore the given PDE, that is partial differential equation, can be written in terms of ordinary differential equation, that is d square z by dx square minus a square z is equal to 0. That can be written as capital D square minus a square of z is equal to 0. Therefore auxiliary equation is m square minus a square is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus a. So this is a real root. Therefore the solution is z is equal to c1 e power ax plus c2 e power minus ax. Now replace the arbitrary constant c1 and c2 by the functions of another variable, that is y. Therefore, the solution becomes z is equal to f of y into e power x plus g of y into e power minus ax. So this is equation 1. Now to find out the values of f of y and g of y, we use the given conditions. So by data we have when x equal to 0, z equal to 0. So equation 1 becomes 0 is equal to f of y into e power 0 plus g of y into e power minus 0, that is f of y plus g of y equal to 0. Also, to obtain del z by del x, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x partially. So del z by del x is equal to f of y into differentiation of e power ax is a into e power ax plus g of y into differentiation of e power minus ax is minus a into e power minus ax. Therefore del z by del x is equal to a into f of y into e power ax minus a into g of y into e power minus ax. Now apply the condition. When x is equal to 0, del z by del x is equal to a sin y. We get a sin y is equal to a into f of y minus a into g of y. So dividing by a, we get sin y is equal to f of y minus g of y. Now solve the two simultaneous equations. F of y plus g of y equal to 0 and f of y minus g of y is equal to sin y. So we get f of y is equal to sin y by 2 and g of y is equal to minus sin y by 2. Now substitute these values in equation 1. Z becomes sin y by 2 into e power x minus sin y by 2 into e power minus x. Here sin y is a common factor, keep it outside. That becomes sin y of e power x minus e power minus ax divided by 2. Again here e power ax minus e power minus ax divided by 2 can be written as sin hx ax. Therefore z is equal to sin y into sin hx ax is a solution. Now next problem is del square u by del x square plus u equal to 0, where u satisfies the conditions u of 0 comma y is equal to e power 1 by 2. This means when x equal to 0, we have u is equal to e power 1 by 2, and second condition is del u by del z of 0 comma y is equal to 1. That means when x equal to 0, we have del u by del z is equal to 1. Now suppose the given differential equation, partial differential equation, in that u is a function of x only, therefore PDE becomes ODE. So we can write that as d square u by dx square plus u equal to 0. So that means d square plus 1 of u is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0, and hence m is equal to plus or minus I. So this is a complex root. Here p is equal to 0 and q equal to 1. Therefore solution becomes u is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now replace the arbitrary constant c1 and c2 by arbitrary functions of y. Since u is a function of x, we have to replace the arbitrary constants by functions of y. So that becomes u is equal to f of y cos x plus g of y sin x. So u can be written as u of x comma y. So this is equation 1. Now use the given data. So by data we have u of 0 comma y, which is equal to e power 1 by 2. E power 1 by 2 can be written as root e. So e power u of 0 comma y means x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, we have root e. U is equal to root e. So equation 1 becomes root e is equal to f of y into cos 0 plus g of y into sin 0. That becomes f of y is equal to root e. Also to obtain del u by del x, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x partially. So we get del u by del x is equal to f of y into minus sin x plus g of y into cos x. So use the condition, that is when x equal to 0, del u by del x is equal to 1. That becomes 1 is equal to minus f of y into sin 0 plus g of y into cos 0. We get g of y is equal to 1. So substitute the values f of y and g of y in equation 1 to get u is equal to root e into cos x plus sin x. So which is the required solution. Now we have del square z by del x square plus 3 into del z by del x minus 4z is equal to 0. So this equation subject to the conditions. When z is equal to 1, we have z is equal to 1 and del z by del x is equal to y when x equal to 0. Now suppose the given function z is a function of x only. So the equation becomes partial differential equation becomes ordinary differential equation. So we can write d square z by dx square plus 3 into dz by dx minus 4 into z is equal to 0. So that can be written as d square plus 3d minus 4 of z is equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. By factorizing this, we obtain m minus 1 into m plus 4 equal to 0. That means m is equal to 1 comma minus 4. So these are real and distinct roots. Therefore the solution is z is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus 4x. Now replace the arbitrary constants c1 and c2 by functions of y. So z is equal to f of y into e power x plus g of y into e power minus 4x. So this is equation 1. So to obtain del z by del x, differentiate equation 1 by with respect to x partially. So we get del z by del x is equal to f of y to differentiation of e power x is e power x plus g of y into differentiation of e power minus 4x is minus 4 into e power minus 4x. Therefore we get del z by del x is equal to f of y into e power x minus 4 into g of y into e power minus 4x. So that is equation 2. Now use the data, that is del z by del x is equal to y when x equal to 0 in equation 2. So we get y is equal to f of y into e power 0 is 0 minus 4 into g of y into e power minus 0 is 0. So that is equation 3. Again use the data z is equal to 1 when x equal to 0 in equation 1 to get 1 is equal to f of y plus g of y. So that is equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4. We get minus 5 into g of y is equal to y minus 1 or g of y is equal to 1 minus y divided by 5. Also f of y is equal to 1 minus g of y. So use the value of g of y. So f of y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 of 1 minus y. So that is f of y is equal to, taking 5 as LCM, we get 5 minus 1 plus y divided by y. So f of y becomes 4 plus y divided by 5. Use the values f of y and g of y in equation 1 to obtain z is equal to 1 by 5 of 4 plus y into e power x, which is the value of f of y, plus 1 by 5 of 1 minus y into e power minus 4x, which is the required solution. So next we have the problem del square z del cube z by del x cube plus 4 into del z by del x equal to 0. Given that z is equal to 0 and del z by del x equal to 0, del square z by del x square is equal to 4 when x equal to 0. So suppose in the given differential equation the function z is a function of x only. Therefore, partial differential equation becomes ordinary differential equation. We can write this as d cube z by dx cube plus 4 into dz by dx, which is equal to 0. So that is d cube plus 4d of z is equal to 0. So auxiliary equation becomes m cube plus 4m equal to 0. Here m is a common factor. Take m as common. We get m of m square plus 4 equal to 0. That means m is equal to 0 and m square plus 4 equal to 0. So from m square plus 4 equal to 0, we get m equal to plus or minus 2i. So we have the roots m equal to 0 and plus or minus 2i. In here plus or minus 2i is a complex root. Here p is equal to 0 and q is equal to 2. So solution becomes z is equal to c1 e power 0x plus c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. Now replace the arbitrary constant c1, c2 and c3 by functions of y. So we get z is equal to f of y into e power 0x means 1. So that means f of y plus g of y into cos 2x plus h of y into sin 2x. This is equation 1. Now differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x twice. Since we have the conditions del z by del x and del square z by del x square, to obtain del square z by del x square we have to differentiate twice. So first is del z by del x, which is equal to, since f of y is constant, we are going to differentiate with respect to x. F of y becomes constant and differentiation of f of y is 0. So del z by del x is equal to minus g of y into cos 2x, since differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 into sin 2x, plus h of y into differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. So this is equation 2. Now again differentiating with respect to x, we get del square z by del x square, which is equal to minus g of y into differentiation of 2 into sin 2x is 4 into cos 2x, plus h of y into differentiation of 2 into cos 2x is minus 4 into sin 2x. So this is equation 3. Now use the given data. We have z is equal to 0, del z by del x equal to 0 and del square z by del x square is equal to 4 when x equal to 0. Hence equation 1, 2 and 3 becomes 0 is equal to f of y plus g of y, since cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. And del z by del x equal to 0 means 0 is equal to 2 into h of y, since sin 0 is 0, minus g of y into 2 sin 0 becomes 0 and cos 0 is 1, we get only h of y, 2 into h of y. And from equation 3 we get 4 is equal to minus 4 into g of y. So use this results, that is h of y is equal to 0, g of y is equal to minus 1 and f of y is equal to 1 in equation 1, which becomes z is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, that can be written as 2 sin square x. So that is the required solution.